A useful tool to use is an index card or other small blocking device. As you read, place this card over what you've already read. As you progress down a page, the card will cover more and more of the text. This will restrict you from going back and also help you realize how much and how often you try to regress. Very important, erratic eye movement. This is similar to regression, but worse. With erratic eye movement, your eyes don't just revert back to previously read text, they might also jump forward, glance at things outside the text, skip too far down, or even stop in the mid-sentence. You want to make sure that you're reading in a left to right, top to bottom movement. Remember that sentences, not individual words, have meaning. When your eyes stop, pause, or wander, it means that you're probably trying to derive more meaning out of the individual word rather than out of the sentence complete meaning. How to fix this? Self-monitoring. Our eyes are naturally active creatures that often have minds of their own. When you consider how much information they can take in at any moment, it's amazing how much control we do have over them. If you detect that your eyes do not in fact take in words at a natural, fluid rate and movement, then you need to practice. Just like a golfer needs to practice the fluidity of his stroke to get the right feel, a reader who wants to increase his speed needs to get the feel for what his eyes should be doing.